latest Burbank kick. Ain't got a party, just getting there. The crazy couple back in town, so the night is in full swing. The liquor store is around.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nadira Nolifa Aneka Wibowo dari kelas 10 IS. Di sini saya akan mengerjakan tugas proyek SBK dengan judul melukis di pot bunga. Dan berikut proses pembuatannya.
I'm mad at Disney, they tricked me, had me wishing on a shooting star. But now I'm 20-something, I still know nothing about who I am or what I'm not. So call me a pessimist, but I don't believe in it. Finding a true love kiss is bullshit. Cause I felt sad love, I felt bad love, sometimes happy love turns into giving up. I felt hurt love, by the word love. What the hell is love supposed to feel?